Welcome to Newdermo product show. This time we will introduce our LED face mask to you. This mask has 4 lights to account 4 different therapeutic effect ion. Manual. Remote control. Automatically switch between different lights. The total aging time is 15 minutes. Charging cable. Press switch button for 1 second to turn on the red light mode. Open the straps, pass it through the attachment and stick it. Red light can promote and improve blood circulation, anti-inflammatory and reduce swelling, pain relief, lightening of dark spots, suitable for all skin types. Press again to turn on MR for blue light mode, front blue light and back blue light display. After the installation is completed, select the corresponding function to use. Treats acne, suitable for oily skin and acne-prone skin. Press again to turn on the near-infrared light mode. Near-infrared light display on the front and back. The effect is stronger than the red light mode. Press again to turn on M4 for mixed color light mode. Front mixed color light and back mixed color light display. Mixed color light gathers a variety of light, sterilization and anti-inflammatory. Anti-aging, suitable for all skin types. Press again to power off. Thanks for your watching. Welcome to visit us at www.newdermobeauty.com.